I'm about to add a third seat, a jump seat, into our 2019 Mercedes Sprinter van. I have it right here in this box. In this video, I'm going to do the unboxing, the installation, and where I got it and how much it costs. So stick around. So the seat came in this box. It's really snowy out, and this is going to allow us to start traveling again because we have a 2-month-old baby in the van, and without the third seat, we're not going to be able to go anywhere. And this allows us to put the car seat there and start traveling again. So we're super excited for it. All right, let's get this thing unboxed. So let's get this thing opened. Alright, so this is what it looks like. It's a console seat, so I can just pull it up like this and then push it down when we don't need it. Alright, so this one has like compartments like this too. And I think the bottom opens up. Yeah, this opens up like this. Storage space under the seat. I don't love this material, but this is the only one that was in stock, and the other ones I have to wait 6 to 8 weeks for. All right, so this is where the seat's gonna go. It's going to open up like this. Right in the middle, the jump seat. Next, I gotta figure out how to get these things bolted down. So here are the instructions on how to install it. I gotta study it a little bit because there's some drilling involved with this particular console seat. So. Alright, to make it a little bit easier for the install, I'm going to remove the seat from the base first, and then I'm going to install the base right into the frame of the vehicle. I should have probably taken this outside to take the screws off. It's a really tight spot right here. Alright, this is all. Alright, let's try to get the base piece installed. This is the seat. Put it somewhere for now. Okay, and what I'm left is the base. Now I just have to get the base mounted right on the middle right here. So this kit comes with 2 pieces. It comes with a long bar right there, and that goes right in between these two, the base of the driver's seat and the passenger seat. It goes right across, and then those 2 bolts right there will get locked into these 2 holes right there. And then there's another piece which is a little bit shorter. Let's see. This piece right here. This piece is going to go underneath the van, and I'm going to have to drill 2 holes in the back right here. The seat belts are going to get mounted underneath this piece as well. Let's see how to mount that first bar first. So I haven't cleaned the van since our last trip. This is sand from Arizona and Utah. All right, so in order for me to install that bar, I'm going to need to open up these floor mats, and I think that's going to go underneath it. So let me take off some of these screws here. I was able to use my compact driver and got these 2 bolts removed, just the 2 front ones. And with that, those two bolts coming out, it actually gives me enough wiggle. I should be able to kind of just put the bar right underneath it without having to remove it. So that's a good thing, so I don't have to remove any of the seats. All right, so I was able to remove the two screws on the driver's side as well, and now it's time to place this bar underneath the base here and get it secured. Alright, now that the bar is in place, I'm going to put the screws back in. Just trying to match the holes to the original screw holes. Alright, this one I got. Let me match the other one before I secure it. Alright, the screws are in. I'm going to get them secured. Alright, so now the bar is in. This is what it looks like. Alright, so there's two bolts that's going to secure to the base of the jump seat. So I need to drill 2 holes here before I can place the mat back down. And then I wouldn't need to lift this up anymore. Alright, so let me mark it, and then I'll drill the holes. Alright, so the holes are in. Not the best holes, but it should do. And I'm going to put all the floorings back, and then I'll start installing the base. Alright, let's bring the base back in here. I'm going to get that installed right now. So the tool that I have to put it in is heating my screw or my nut. It's heating my nut, so I gotta take it back out before we put this in. Alright, next is the seat belts. This will go in the back 2 holes. So the seat belt is placed under the base, and I'm going to need to drill 1 hole here and 1 hole here, and I'll secure the base plate from underneath the van with the 2 bolts that's included. But I don't have the 7/16 drill bit, so I need to go grab it right now, and then I'll drill the 2 holes right here. Alright, so I just picked up the 7/16 drill bit, and this is the drill bit required to make the holes on the bottom. So let me drill this one. We should be good. So let's drop the bolt in and get this thing secured. Alright, I'm going to go underneath the van and I'm going to get these things secured.
two holes that I made and I put the bolt down here are right here in the van. So let me put the plate and get this thing secured. Okay. Looks like this is secured. The bar is locked in. We should be good to go. All right, guys, we're almost done. The base is in, it's secured. I gotta just lock these two bolts in. It's for you, Spencer. This is gonna be your seat. Yeah, Spence? It's gonna be your seat. All right, let's wrap this up. So we do need two people to get those bolts down because I keep pushing up and it kept getting loose. So Rena had to push it down for me so that I can actually put the nuts in. All right, let's lock these two in and then we should be good to go. All right, nice. All the bolts are in now. This isn't going anywhere. This is great. All right, now it's time to put the seat back on and we are pretty much done. And I just test fitted Spencer's baby seat or car seat. It's perfectly right in the middle, right here. This is perfect. It'll be sitting right here in between us while we're driving. So nice. All right, so where did we buy the jump seat? We ended up ordering the seat from discountvanTruck.com. What I liked about this site is that it had multiple options for the jump seat. Originally, we were going to order just a classic Sprinter jump seat, but then I noticed that they had a jump seat that is not only a jump seat but a console seat. What it means is that it can fold down into a console with cup holders and storage on the top as well as storage inside the seat itself. It's a little bit more expensive than the jump seat itself, but we decided to pay the difference because we have a sliding door to the front of the cab. And if we were going to get a normal jump seat, the backing of the seat will be too high for us to access the front. And originally we were thinking that we're going to lose access to the front and to the back of the van. With this console seat, and the backing is not that high, so that with the car seat, with the baby seat attached, we can still climb to the front of it, which is a really nice bonus. How much did we pay for this? We paid $9.79 plus $99 for shipping. So if you want to place an order on this website, I would definitely recommend you double checking and calling in to confirm stock for one, and then call in often to confirm that the shipment actually went out, because I didn't get any emails from them regarding a update in my order or when the item was shipped out. I got it when I called in to confirm that they actually did ship it out, and they gave me the tracking number, but I never got any emails from the website itself updating the order. But that's my experience. It did arrive. It took a little bit longer than I anticipated, but we did get the seat delivered. So another thing that I wanted to add is that the Sprinter seats are in compliance with the DOT FMVSS 207 safety standard. So that was a requirement to make sure that the seat itself is approved and compliant with the standard of safety for what's required of a additional jump seat. All in all, I think the seat itself is a great bonus for our van. It's going to allow us to travel with our new baby Spencer. I like the fact that the backing is lower, so we can still access the front and back of the van easily if we need to. This extra storage is great for the seat, the console seat. And I haven't seen any other website that sells the jump seat with the console seat. And the price is fairly fair. It's about $1,100 to get it shipped and delivered. But the fabric itself isn't the one that I wanted. I was hoping for a fabric that matches the original Sprinter, but it is what it is. We'll just cover it up with a blanket, and we'll call it a day. I didn't want to wait the 6 to 8 weeks because we needed to kind of get moving. So that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. I hope you liked it and found it helpful. If you did enjoy it, please give me a thumbs up. And if you want to see more van life content, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And we will be posting more van life, van build, van tips type of content in this channel. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.